Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying firmware and drivers. This prevents odd behavior. Once done, plug the Goxlr into a rear USB 3.0 port. Avoid hubs because they introduce latency and power issues. Next, set Windows power plan to high performance and lock the device sample rate at 48 kHz in both Windows sound settings and Goxlr app. That alignment removes common rate mismatch artifacts and dropouts, so perform these steps before changing any routing or effects. Once basic connectivity is stable, you move into routing and latency. Open the Goxlr app and inspect the routing matrix. Make sure your mic is routed to the correct channel and chat/game mixes are separated. Then tune buffer/latency in any DAW or capture app. Lower buffers reduce latency for live talk but raise CPU use. Increase buffer if you hear pops or crackle. Also, confirm exclusive mode is off in Windows to avoid audio device conflicts and sample rate switching. To finish, you perform targeted fixes and one key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, back up your profiles and perform a factory reset in the Goxlr app, then reinstall drivers. If issues continue, swap the USB cable and try another PC or port to isolate hardware faults. Most importantly, use Device Manager and the Goxlr logs to spot driver conflicts or repeated error entries. If you find them, uninstall conflicting drivers and reboot. That one logging step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.